To attack. Hey, I see you.
Come on. You know what I'm gonna do with that deer? That deer will kick you in the face and then we'll stick it with that.
Look at them.
See, mama and baby are done with us being so close to them. These three though, don't care. These three are young though. I would say that's probably a 2-year-old.
Hmm.
And these are 1-year-olds here. And the baby was born in the spring.
Yeah, maybe we should stop.
That bigger one, when she was the one behind me. She was the one that came out behind me, and that's when I was like, uh-oh. Oh, that might be a 2-year-old right there.
Hello.
These other ones, they were little 1-year-old does. See them?
Mm-hmm. Well, I can't get him on the camera. Oh, now I can.
Yeah, that one might be 2. She's bigger. But that other one was way bigger. Maybe she's 3 or 4. She's a big girl.
Hello.
You know what's funny is I don't know how many people actually even know they're here.
Yeah, they're just walking.
They're just walking by. That one hippie looking dude stopped because he saw
Yeah,
him.
he saw him.
He was like, oh.
Hmm.
This is fun, huh? I get to hang out with the deers.
Licking his butt.
Oh.
Baby, stop.
Oh.
Shh.
Oh.
Jump. They're gonna attack us.
They're not gonna attack. They just want to see why I'm sounding like a baby deer. Look at the head.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a threat display? Oh.
Baby. Breaking his
They're getting agitated with it.
Yeah.
It's bad.